Welcome to the special place where Mamu is now. Didn't you know?
Dietary 3060, please.
That's exactly why we don't need to have public announcements. Now, here's the idea. We're going to use all of the material that we've got right here. This is the hot water, so we can let it fill up. Then we're going to put the soup in here, first by taking out the top. And so now, this should be pretty full. Okay, so then this can go in here and warm up. See? That's going to be warming up. What we're going to do is let the heat go in. So, here's some fabulous soup. Okay? And we got this soup from over here. And we just put the soup inside here. Once it's inside, it can be used to warm things up. There we go. Get in there. We've got some soup inside. We've got the hot water. Now we can put this inside and it will be nice and warm, right? So now it's just letting it warm up. Then we'll be able to take it after it's all warmed up. This will go in for my mother to be able to eat the warmed up soup.